This little falcon will soon be nesting here, and they're such a fascinating bird to watch. And once you see what it can do in the air, you'll understand why I stopped everything to watch it. Welcome back to Wondering About Nature. This is the American Kestrel, the smallest falcon in North America, and one of the most beautifully marked birds you'll find in the eastern United States. Take a look at that plumage. The male has a slate blue head and wings with that warm rusty back. And those two dark vertical marks on the face, called mustache marks, are a feature unique to falcons. Despite being roughly the size of a robin, the kestrel is built for speed and precision. Long pointed wings, compact body, everything about it is designed for agility. I found this one perched on a power line at Chestnut Grove Nature Preserve, which is a classic kestrel behavior. They love an elevated open perch where they can scan the ground below for movement. They generally avoid spending the winter in snow-covered areas where it is difficult for them to find small mammal prey. Pennsylvania's kestrels include summer residents, birds that nest in the state but winter far south, winter residents, birds that nest north of the state and overwinter here, and year-round residents. Watch how it holds perfectly still, head slightly tilted, eyes locked on something below. Kestrels have extraordinary vision. They can see ultraviolet light, which allows them to detect the urine trails left by small rodents, even from high up in the air. So while it may look like it's simply sitting there, it's absolutely working. And here's what sets the kestrel apart from almost every other bird of prey in North America. It hovers. It beats its wings rapidly while holding its body perfectly stationary in the air. Head absolutely fixed on a target below, like a tiny helicopter. What you're watching is a combination of rapid wing beats, roughly 5 or 6 per second, combined with constant tail and body adjustments to compensate for wind. It can hold this position for several seconds, scanning the exact same patch of ground while the world moves around it. When it spots prey, a grasshopper, a mouse, a small lizard, it drops. It is, in every sense, precision flying. If you're enjoying this close look at the American Kestrel, hit the like button. It really does help this channel reach more nature lovers. Earlier I mentioned this kestrel actually nests here. Back at Chestnut Grove, I found it perched right on top of the pole where a nest box has been installed. It was surveying the area, keeping watch. This is a nest box program working exactly as intended. American kestrel populations have been in significant decline across much of their range. Habitat loss, reduced prey availability, and competition for natural cavities from European starlings have all taken a toll. In some regions, numbers have dropped by 50% or more over the past few decades. But nest boxes placed in open habitat have been making a genuine difference, giving kestrels a safe, secure place to raise their young where natural cavities simply don't exist anymore. Getting to watch this bird hunt and hover right here in the Susquehanna Valley was one of those mornings I won't forget quickly. Watching it using the nest box last year makes the story even more exciting. North America's smallest falcon living its life right alongside us. If you'd like to support kestrel nest box programs or put one up yourself, I've left some links in the description below. It's one of the most direct things any of us can do to help. Be sure to check back for my weekly rewind on Sunday to see everything I spotted during the week. Until then, keep wondering about nature. Thanks for watching.